everyone, myself Vaibhav Wadia. I have taken part in Unacademy Mega Combat and I got iPad mini as a reward from Unacademy. Thank you so much.
My name is Amandeep Kaur. I regularly participate in Unacademy Gate and ESC Combat at 11 a.m. every Sunday, and I received iPad mini from Unacademy as a lucky prize. Thank you.
Hello, I am Aman Raj. I have given Ultra Combat test on Unacademy on 22nd May. I have won this JBL speaker and 75% scholarship in GATE and ESE. Thank you.
Hello, myself Ankit Verma. I am from EC background. I gave GATE Combat on 23rd of Jan 2022, in which I have awarded a scholarship from Unacademy in the form of this JBL headphone. So thank you Unacademy.